If you think about it, most selections we make are limited by the location of the objects. They have to be close enough together to fit within a window. In this lesson, we're going to select objects based on what they are, as opposed to where they are. Let's take a look. On my screen I have a drawing of a floor plan. I'm going to zoom in on the middle portion of this drawing, and I'll hover over one of these door swings, and the tooltip shows us this object is an arc, and it's sitting on layer door. In fact, all of the door swings share the same properties. What if I wanted to put all these door swings on their own unique layer, such that they can have their own line type, line weight or color? Well, selecting these objects using a window would be a problem. Instead, I'm going to select one of the door swings, a representative example of what I'm interested in. I will then right-click, and then I'll choose Select Similar from the menu. And you can see AutoCAD has selected all of the arcs on layer door. Now that these objects are selected, I can open the layer control and choose the layer where I would like to place these entities. When I'm finished, I'll press Escape. Let's zoom in a little closer on this upper room, and I'm going to hover over this lamp on the left side. I can see this is a circle, and it's sitting on the lighting layer. Next, I'll hover over the lamp on this nightstand. I can see this object is sitting on the wrong layer, obviously a mistake. In fact, the inner circle is incorrect as well. Now, it wouldn't be too hard to fix these two objects, but if this mistake propagated throughout my drawing, it would be hard to locate all of these incorrect entities. Using Select Similar, I can easily make these corrections. I'll grab one of the circles, and then I'll right-click and choose Select Similar, and AutoCAD selects all of the circles on layer 0. If I zoom out, I can see that error did get copied over to the other room. To correct this geometry, I'll open the layer control, and I'll put these objects on the lighting layer. When I'm finished, I'll press Escape. One of the nicest parts about Select Similar is we are not limited to a single representative example. Let me show you what I mean. Maybe I'd like to erase all of this window geometry. I'm going to zoom in on this window on the self, and if I hover over one of these objects, I can see it's a polyline. If I hover over another, I can see this one is a line segment. No problem. I'll select the polyline, and one of the lines, a representative example of what I'm interested in. I will then right-click and choose Select Similar, and AutoCAD selects all of the lines and polylines on the Windows layer. To erase the geometry, I'll press the Delete key. As you can see, selecting multiple objects doesn't always have to involve a selection window. Using the Select Similar shortcut, we can select objects based on what they are, rather than where they are in the drawing.